Hello, Gus here to teach you how to change the lenses on your auto-darkening TECMEN helmet. Generally, outside and inside cover lenses need to be replaced when they're sore or damaged. These should be checked regularly so you don't reduce your vision while welding. It can also affect the auto-darkening filter to flicker or not darken properly. So remember, the cleaner your lenses are, the better your work will be. Right now I'm going to show you how to replace the outside cover lens. First of all, we take off the holder, just across, unclip one side and off it pops, and then the whole lens auto-darkening filter just pops up. It needs to clip both sides, up and out. And then we've got the noggins down the side, and there's a little tab where you can get your thumb under, and it should just pop out with a bit of force out of both sides. And there we have it. On the back we have the inside cover lens. And once again, there's a little noggin at the top where we just pull and it clips off both sides and out it comes. Now to replace it, same thing applies. There's two little noggins that you need to clip it under and just flex the lens out and make sure it goes under, and it's good to go. Once again, the same on the front. There's three little tabs on the side, and then you flex the lens in to make sure it sits into the three tabs in here, and then it should be nice and flat against the auto-darkening filter on either side. This here just sits back in, up, and then just sits in, and then you just push it down until it clicks, and there you have it. And we just put the outside holder on again, make sure we get it the right way, and clip it on one side, push across and down, and it should click in. And just make sure if it's clicked in right, these lines areas should line up. And there you have it. You've replaced your outside and inside cover lens. Now we'll move on to your grinding lens. So flip it up, and once again you reach across the lens and clip it off one side, and this will take off the holder. And then we've got the actual lens. Once again, there's two noggins in the side. We've got to clip those out, and there you have it. You've removed it. Same thing applies putting it in. You start off one side with the two and fold it, pushing it in. There'll be two little clips there that need to be clipped in. When they're in the right position, they should just click in. Once again, just check to make sure this is sitting against the helmet. And when we can put the front holder on again, once again it's on one side, and then push across and in until it clicks. And there you have it. You've changed your lenses on your auto-darkening helmet. And that's it. So quick, so easy.